Okay, it's a big day this morning. Did some repairs to the Model A. It's got a Buick Nailhead motor in it from 1964. It's been rebuilt 60 over. Got camshaft, some headers, valve job, nice Mallory distributor, and of course the finned accessories. In any case, I've been having a lot of Valvetrain clatter knocking, and couldn't figure it out. I've been in and out of the motor many times, adjusting the push rod lengths, checking the push rods to see if they're bent. All of them are straight. Checking the valves to see if they're bent. They're going in and out of the heads just fine. So I finally came around to looking at the rocker shaft assembly. I guess I should have started here. This is the original one, still nice and clean. I mean, it's great, but there is a ton of slop or wear on each of the rockers. And when you pull back the spring, I can't do it with the holding the phone, but when you pull back the spring, you can see that there's quite a bit of scoring and wear on the shaft itself. Now the arms themselves are worn. So my thought is that when the push rods are going up and down, that they're actually taking up some of that slop on the shaft, and that's what's causing my knocking noise. So anyways, I got in touch with a local guy here. He's in upstate New York. His name's Carmen Faso. Total wealth of knowledge. Great guy to talk to. Very, just knows so much about all things Buick, and I'm sure other things. Old drag racer. In any case, he had a set, basically a brand new set of adjustable rocker arm shaft assembly for the Nailhead, and this was made on it's called the export package from I think it was between 1953 and 1959. They came out for 322 Nailhead, and then they had, I think, 58, 59, and I could be wrong, but there was a 364 Nailhead that they had as well. Anyways, I picked up that new assembly. I've installed both of them into the motor. One thing that's a little unnerving is the push rod length. It's a little bit shorter than the stock Nailhead length, so I really don't know if the geometry is going to be correct. I have turned the motor over by hand several times, and I didn't hear anything that's not right, although the lifters wouldn't be fully pumped up. So I won't know until I fire this thing, which I'm going to do right about now. So this is going to be the first start. Since I did this, I've already primed the carb, and we're gonna give it a whirl. Give it another shot of gas here. Okay. Make sure we're parked. Yep. All right. Wish me luck. And here we go. Sounds good, way better than it did, way better. No noise on this side. There's a ton of knocking on the passenger side. Gonna check our oil pressure. We got 45 pounds. I'm gonna give it